Training an LLM to reason. The importance of data quality and processing control. Written by Liquid Ocelot. Imagine you're trying to teach a student how to solve tricky brain teasers. You wouldn't just throw a giant pile of random puzzles at them, would you? Instead, you'd carefully pick out a few really good ones that challenge them in different ways, make them think clearly, and are easy to understand. That's kind of what these researchers did with an AI model. They wanted to see if they could make the AI better at solving complex problems, but instead of overwhelming it with tons of data, they took a different approach. They started with a huge collection of almost 60,000 question answer pairs, like a massive textbook of brain teasers. But instead of using all of them, they handpicked just 1,000 of the best ones. These examples were like the Goldilocks puzzles, not too easy, not too hard, but just right. They covered a wide range of topics, were written clearly, and even included helpful hints and explanations, like a teacher guiding a student through the problem. The researchers also used a special AI called Gemini 2.0 to help them choose the best examples. This AI is like a super smart tutor that can analyze problems and figure out the best way to solve them. It helped the researchers find examples that would really push the AI model to think critically and creatively. This new approach shows that sometimes less is more when it comes to training AI by focusing on quality over quantity. And by giving the AI some flexibility in how to use its brain power, we can help it become a much better problem solver. It's like giving the student the right tools and guidance to unlock their full potential. Think think of it Think of it like setting a budget for a detective to solve a case. You can give them a limited amount of time and resources, or you can give them more freedom and to investigate thoroughly. This budget forcing is what the researchers did with their AI model. They found that by giving the AI more time to think, like allowing the detective to follow more leads, it could solve problems more accurately. It's like saying, take your time and really dig into this. Don't rush. And guess what? This more thoughtful AI actually beat out some of the bigger, more data-hungry models from OpenAI on tough math problems. But here's the kicker. It wasn't just about having more data, it was about having the right data. Remember those carefully chosen 1,000 examples? Turns out they were the secret sauce. The researchers tried different combinations, like just focusing on difficulty or just on variety. But nothing worked as well as having all these ingredients: difficulty, variety, and quality. It's like a recipe. You need the right balance of ingredients to make a delicious cake. And the most surprising part, even having a massive dataset with almost 60,000 examples didn't beat those carefully chosen 1,000. It was like having a whole library of books but only needing a few key pages to crack the case. This shows that being smart about how you train AI is just as important as having lots of data. So this budget forcing approach is like giving the AI the freedom to think deeply and strategically, while also providing it with the right kind of information to learn from. It's a powerful combination that can lead to some impressive results. So while this new AI model with its fancy budget forcing trick is pretty impressive, it's important to remember that it's still a bit of a specialist. It's like a star athlete who excels in a few specific events but might not be an all round champion. The researchers are being upfront about this and are encouraging others to build on their work by sharing their code and data. It's like saying, hey, we have found something cool, but we need your help to explore its full potential. This is in contrast to the trend of many research teams trying to create super smart AI by simply throwing more and more data at the problem. It's like thinking that if you give a student a mountain of textbooks, they'll automatically become a genius. But as DeepSeek, that scrappy Chinese company has shown, sometimes it's about being clever and resourceful, not just about brute force. DeepSeek's success is a reminder that innovation can come from unexpected places and that sometimes the best ideas are the ones that challenge conventional wisdom. This budget forcing technique might be one of those game changing ideas that help us unlock the next level of AI intelligence. It's an exciting time to be following the AI world as new discoveries and breakthroughs are happening all the time.